Hi, everyone. So CheerBot, this little Tomodachi guy, I believe it'll help Ethereum cross the chasm, and it'll spread cosmological cheer throughout the world. It's basically an Amazon Echo, but FOSS, and with a toy collectible and NFT connected. My ask is that you join this Telegram group, we'll have the QRs throughout this, so just scan them whenever you like, or you can grab one of these Moodong stickers, and they've got the LinkedIn in the back. So the CheerBot is part of our venture studio, a brand new venture studio we're raising pretty soon. It's a legal engineering venture studio. So these are the co-founders. We complement each other nicely. We're doing venture studio because legal engineering is a relatively new profession. So we're splitting off the 0 to 1 lab part, which is what the CheerBot is, and then the 1 to 100 scaling. Notable shipping at MegaZu, list here. People should try out the riddle if they haven't yet. But I want to focus on the Ethereum Community Fund MOU we signed with them. Project B, Jason State UX NFT, was what I presented in the last demo, and what I've been coding on for the most part. You can scan a QR and check it out. It's also got that kernel I developed if you want to see how that is. And I really want to do 2 presentations today, but I only could do 1. So part 1, it's developer heavy, so I've decided to do part 2 because it's got that robot delay that we can all have fun with. But devs, please ask me about part 1, and the TLDR for part 1 is if we can get RPC calls to be as simple as REST calls, then we can cross that chasm for mainstream developers and bring them into Ethereum for certain JSON high data availability. So here's the CheerBot. It's a single board collectible server. Eventually we'll use RPC calls. They're as easy as REST. Owaki has another one at the Regen Hum in Boulder, which is pretty cool. I think they can help cross the chasm. And we get famous live streamers to use them with them, in person, and then their audience can interact with the live streamers, and there can be some monetization there. So free marketing. So here's me with the CheerBot. Here's the AI's and OpenAI's interpretation of people with the CheerBot in the future. Here's me testing the CheerBot. Down over here, you can see it's asking for tips for besttape.eth. This was at ETH Turing, so it was a live show. This is the CheerBot checking OpenSea API and seeing they got a tip, and so it says thank you for that tip, and then it also sees a whitelist NFT collection. If that tipper has that NFT in there, then they'll show the NFT to the rest of the audience. So it's a way for people to kind of show their favorite NFTs. This is what I did while at MegaZu. So this is an old Mozilla project that I then, using W3 protocol to control the robot, I then switched to just a simple wallet scanner or signage to control the robot. And this is all intranet, so it doesn't even interact with the internet. Here's the economy version of the bot. It's ready for AI. If you just plug a mic in there, good to go. I have no idea why that happened. Oops. Okay, so this is the premium one. It's more expensive because it's entangled with the Gitcoin lore, so it's a bit of a Okay, it's a bit of a well, that's it. So I can't move forward. If you can move forward with this, but anyway.